Hello there, Julie here again. So now I'm gonna teach you how to create a customer refunds in QuickBooks Online. All right, so let's go here to our practice account. So take note that there may be instances when a credit memo is not the right solution, and the client needs to refund money to a customer. So this could be due to a faulty goods or a one-time job that came in under budget. For example, in QuickBooks Online, clients can issue a customer refund by creating a refund receipt. So this is a money out transaction from the specified payment account. So to create a refund receipt, let's go click here plus new and then refund receipt. Okay, let's wait. And from the customer drop down menu, select the customer that you want to issue a refund receipt. And as you can see here, the information of Dukes is automatically added to your refund receipt screen. And next, from here, from the refund from customer drop down menu, just select here the bank account to issue the refund from. So in our case, I'm going to select the checking account. As you can see here, we have here the checking, the balance of our checking, the checking balance rather. We have here $607. And from the products and services column, select the appropriate products or services for your refund. So we will going to choose the rock fountain and check all the necessary details of these items, and also here on the message displayed on refund receipt, you can write a letter for your customer, and if you want to edit this one, just highlight and you can edit. And when you're done, just select save and close. But as you can see here, we have here save and send. But when we click here the drop down arrow, we can see here the another two options, the save and new and save and close. So for the save and new, when we click this one, our transaction will be saved to the QuickBooks Online, and the QuickBooks Online will automatically give you a new refund receipt screen. And when you click the save and close, so this transaction that we have made, it will be saved to QuickBooks Online, and this screen will be closed. But when we click this one, the save and send, so let's try checking this one, the save and send button. So here, as you can see here, it will bring you to the send email screen. So this is the PDF file. This is the file that will be sent to your customer when you send this email to to the customer's email address. So here is the email address of your customer. This is the subject, so you can edit this one as you like. And this is the message for your customer. If you want to edit this one, just highlight and then edit. And when you're done, just select send and close. All right. So that's it. As you can see here, email is not sent because we are just using a practice account for this certain transaction. But if you are using a real account, when you click that save and send button, your message will automatically be sent to the email of your customer. So that's it. That is how easy to create a refund for your customer in QuickBooks Online. All right. Thank you for watching.